Hey everyone, want to create calculated fields in Looker Studio? In this video, I'll show you how to create calculated fields step by step. Yeah, calculated fields let you create custom metrics and dimensions by using formulas, helping you build more powerful and flexible reports. First, open your web browser and go to Looker Studio. Sign in with your Google account and open the report where you want to create a calculated field. Make sure your report is already connected to a data source. Next, select a chart or open your data source from the report. In the Data panel, look for the Add a Field or Create Field option and click it. A formula editor will appear. This is where you can build custom calculations using existing fields, functions, numbers, and operators. Now enter a name for your calculated field. Choose a descriptive name so it's easy to recognize when building reports later. Next, write your formula. For example, you can calculate profit by subtracting cost from revenue, calculate conversion rates, combine text fields, or create custom categories using built-in functions. Looker Studio provides many functions for math, text, dates, and logical conditions. As you type, Looker Studio checks your formula for errors. If everything is correct, the formula will validate successfully. Click Save or Apply to create the calculated field. Your new field will now appear alongside your other dimensions and metrics. You can now use the calculated field in charts, scorecards, tables, filters, and other report elements, so you can build more advanced dashboards without changing your original data source. If the calculated field doesn't return the expected results, review the formula, data types, and field names to make sure everything is configured correctly. And that's how you create calculated fields in Looker Studio. With custom calculations, you can generate meaningful insights and create reports that better match your business needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.